Today is a very exciting day for us. We're launching the renewed corporate image of Ryson. We wanted to show the world that we truly are one big global company. Ryson is part of the Royal Apollo Group for 2 years now, and we wanted to really make it visual. Therefore, we wanted to bring the two brands closer together visually. Nothing will change. You will keep having the best service, highest quality machines, and always somebody available in your region that speaks your language. That for sure will never change. But we wanted to show that we are an innovative company, that we are willing to do things a little bit different, that we are a little bit cheeky also, being such an old company, 176 years, but also that we empower women. Therefore, this renewed logo with a slight touch of pink is different in our industry, and that's what we intend to be. I hope that you will like the logo as much as we do, and that you will continue to enjoy the service and the machines of the Royal Apollo Group and Ryson.